Most beginner FPV pilots practice perfectly in simulators, but they take wrong decision while purchasing their first FPV drone. So in this video, you will learn how to select a correct FPV drone to really get started with FPV hobby. If you choose wrong FPV drone, it kills your motivation. You'll feel frustrated, lose interest and quit the hobby. But if you know what actually you want to fly, cinematic shots or aggressive freestyle, then this hobby becomes actually enjoyable. So before you buy any drone, you need to answer one question. What's your flying style? Cinematic, freestyle or both? Because that answer changes everything. It determines which drone is right for you. If you are still not confident enough to fly a real drone, but you want to start flying, then get a Tinywhoop. It's smaller, safer and it's crash proof. Your props are protected. You can crash it 100 times and it will still fly. And that's exactly what it's built for. Practicing, learning the basics without fear. That's actually why I built the Pavo Pico. But there is another reason. I didn't just want to practice. I also wanted cinematic smooth shots. So I built something that does both. First I used it to practice controlled flying. Then I realized, hey, this can also shoot cinematic footage with 4K camera. Pavo Pico sits perfectly between Tinywhoop and Cinewhoop. You get safety of Tinywhoop with cinematic capability of Cinewhoop. Now if you like freestyle flying and you're perfectly ready for it, then you should go for 5-inch drone. You can either build it yourself or get a pre-built. A 5-inch drone fits perfect for freestyle. So here's the thing, you have two paths. If you want smooth cinematic footage and you're learning to fly cleanly, go for Cinewhoop or Pavo Pico type drone. If you want aggressive freestyle flips and tricks, go 5-inch. But here's what matters. Choose based on your goals, not someone else. What you actually want to fly. So that's it. You know the two paths now. Simulator practice is done. Now it's time to choose. Pick the drone that matches what you want to fly. Don't overthink it. Get the drone that excites you. If you get the answer, drop it in the comments and let me know in which you are interested. See you in the next one.